Alright, this tutorial is for Phil Wickham's Great Things. The original is in B. Our band has a hard time singing it in that key. So we have been playing it in G. We've had a lot of fun with it, and I hope this helps. So your intro is, that first hook is on the 12th, 10th, 13th, 15th. And then the first half repeats, and then you do on the E string, you do 12 and 10. So there's your intro and some of your interludes, your outro. Have fun with that. The first verse we sit out just to keep it, just keeping it clean, and first half of the first chorus. We're sitting out. When we play, we're doing a double stop, just a G on the 7th and 8th fret, the G and the B string. You can strum halfway through. I think they do. We're playing a track, so again, just there's already things happening, and then just to differentiate the first chorus with the rest of the choruses. I like just to, instead of strumming, just to do just a double stop, kind of like a pick, just a. And then there's a C at the end of the chorus, so we're just doing a high C. Yep. So that'd be the first chorus, and then the second verse is a lot of fun. You're kind of hanging out on the 5, 7, and 9 and 7. The D string to the A string, back to the A string. Sliding up to the 9-7. 10th fret on the D string, 7th fret on the G string. So it'd be. The end of the chorus, so if you're strumming it, kind of the same as the first, but we're strumming. So as you see, then there's a fun little hook to get into the bridge, and it's just you're playing on the G string, 5, 7. And then on the B string, you're playing on the 8th. For the bridge, especially if you're playing just one guitar, this part works great, and I would just play it the whole way through. It's just this kind of this third chord, starting on a C, 3rd and 2nd fret, then a D chord, 5th and 4th, E minor, 7th and 5th. And then you can do this cool little walk on the D chord. And then it just kind of builds as the dynamics are building. And then just a high D chord to get into the down chorus. G chord. You're gonna sit out. You'll play the second half of the chorus. You'll walk down. Then you have to tag. It's a D chord. Then it has a D. It's a D suspended shape up here on the 7th and 8th. Unsuspend the shape. And then back to back into that kind of that bridge kind of hook. So, I don't know. I think it looked like this. And then you finish out just rocking out, having fun. I hope that was helpful.